Hi, my name is Andre Meyer, and I'm a senior researcher at the University of Zurich in Switzerland. In this short video, I'd like to briefly describe our newest research project on how we are aiming to allow hybrid teams to work more focused, and at the same time, how we are aiming to improve collaboration and teamwork. And I hope that you and your team will consider participating in this amazing study. To explain the problem that we are trying to solve, meet a hypothetical team of knowledge workers, Sarah, Rob, and myself. We are closely working in the same project that requires us to come up with creative ideas, discussions with our customers, as well as actually implementing the ideas that we come up with. One of the main challenges that our team is facing is to find a balance between making progress on our own tasks and collaborating with our team. If we collaborate too much, we don't get any stuff done that requires focused work. And if we only focus on making progress, we cannot collaborate effectively. The nature of collaborative work is causing interruptions which can reduce focus and productivity, especially when these happen at inopportune moments. Being interrupted at times of focused work can lead to more errors, lower performance, higher anxiety, stress, and so on. The challenge, however, is that in today's hybrid remote work, it's really difficult for teams to know who is currently very focused on their work and who is open and available for an interaction. Therefore, the aim of the approach that we want to study and evaluate is to support hybrid teams in having more focused work time and at the same time find ideal and better moments for everyone when to collaborate and help each other out. How are we aiming to support teams in doing that? Meet FlowTeams. FlowTeams is a desktop application that connects you to your team and visualizes your planned work hours, planned work location, and how you're planning to spend your workday in terms of focus and interactions. For each team member, it visualizes the current and upcoming focus with a color. Green means I am available for interactions. Red means I am busy, so I'm either very focused or I'm in a meeting or a call. Dark red means I am really focused, please only interrupt if it's really urgent. It's kind of the do not disturb mode that you might know from some of the communication apps. And blue means I am away from the computer. As an example of how the app works, let's briefly consider that I need to ask Sarah, my coworker, a question. As we can see here, Sarah is working from home today, and she is currently in a meeting that lasts for another hour, so I cannot ask her right now. Later, she has a focus session planned from 11:30 onwards, so that's also a time that is not ideal to interrupt her with my question. So the best time to ask her a question is between 2 to 3 in the afternoon, since that's when she planned to be available for interaction, or in case it's more urgent, my best chance of getting a response from her is between 11 and 11:30. And that's how simple and easy it is for you to spot a team member's current and upcoming focus and availability when using FlowTeams. How does it work, you might ask? One core aspect is that it displays your coworker's current focus and availability for interruptions. The status is determined automatically by our algorithm that is based on your current computer interactions. It was evaluated in our research, and I'll post a link in the description. You can also set your focus state manually at any time, or you can sync it from your Microsoft Teams, Slack, or Zoom present state. In addition, you can also see your coworkers' currently planned work location that shows if they are working from the office, from home, remotely, or not at all. This helps you to better know where to reach them and decide whether to work from the office or not. The other core aspect is that FlowTeams visualizes your coworkers' upcoming focus and availability for interruptions in a calendar-like view. To that purpose, we've introduced the concept of blocking out sessions into your calendar and visualizing this to your coworkers. For times you want to focus on work with minimal interruptions, you can plan personalized focus sessions. These are indicated with the dark red blocks in the calendar view. For times that you want to reserve for interactions and supporting your coworkers, you can plan interaction sessions. These are indicated with the green colors in your calendar view. Finally, you can sync your meetings as well as the planned sessions back and forth with Microsoft or Google's calendars. We are now looking for teams of 3 or more members who want to try out FlowTeams and at the same time help us evaluate it. The goal of the study is to learn how this awareness approach can help teams to plan and share ideal moments for focus and interactions within teams. We expect FlowTeams to help you work more focused while at the same time improve teamwork and collaboration. The study is planned to start sometime in April or May and last for about 4 to 6 weeks. The effort required from you is about 2 hours in total, which is spread across the entire duration of the study and includes onboarding, using FlowTeams during your regular work hours, and collecting your feedback. As compensation, and besides the intended benefits, you will be offered a free Flow light. This is a USB light that you can place in your office and also visualizes your current focus state to your coworkers in the office to reduce in-person interruptions as well. In addition, you can decide to be entered into a raffle to win one of several 150 Swiss francs or US dollar gift cards. In case you're interested in participating in this study or need more information, please sign up through the link in the blue box. Should you have more questions, feel free to contact me directly, and I'm very much looking forward to evaluating FlowTeams with you. Thank you very much.